Welcome back to my tutorial on using the Unity UI system to build a non-game app, specifically a simple calculator. This is the third and final part of a three-part tutorial series, and this time I'll show you the app running on Android and iOS. You'll see how it works automatically with orientation changes and even different device screen sizes. If you wish, you can download the finished project from GitHub at github.com/cwgtech/uicalc. This tutorial assumes you've got a working Android SDK and iOS SDK set up. If you need to figure out how to get that working, search my other tutorials for help. Load the project created by the previous parts of this tutorial and switch the build platform to Android. Connect your Android device or launch the emulator. While you can launch the emulator from command line, the easiest and most convenient method is to launch Android Studio and then AVD Manager. I'm using the emulator here so I can record the app running. Set the package name to something other than default. I used com.cwgtech.uicalc. Click Player Settings and expand Other Settings tab and type in the new package name. We don't need to make any other changes this time, so we'll click Build and Run to run the APK and send it to our Android device. Once again, I use the name uicalc. With the app running, you can see the calculator looks as expected and works just like it did on the desktop. If you rotate the device, you'll see the buttons adjust for the landscape view and fill the new wider look. You can continue to rotate the device and see that it works in all four orientations. Assuming you have the ability to build for iOS, open Build Settings and switch to the iOS platform. In my case, I want to build for the simulator, so click Player Settings, expand the Other Settings tab, and select Simulator SDK in Target SDK. Click Build and Run and enter the name of a folder for the project. I like to use iOS Build, and the project will build and launch in Xcode. Now we can run the app on the simulator and pick an iPhone model. The app contents will adjust to fill the display horizontally and also continue to do so if we rotate the device. Likewise, if we run it on an iPad device, the app will adjust for the different display resolution and aspect ratio and still handle the rotation correctly. That completes my Unity UI system tutorial. I'm hoping this inspires you to use Unity to create multi-platform, non-game apps. Having a system that can provide your users with a UI that adapts to different displays and orientations is a great thing for them. Having a system that lets you use the same code on multiple platforms is a great thing for you. As always, you can follow me on Twitter at CWGTech or check out my blog at www.cwgtech.com. Please feel free to leave any comments or suggestions below. See you next time.